Creative space. Create, learn, inspire. Important days in January. January 1, Global Family Day. It is celebrated as a day of peace and sharing. Its aim is to unite and spread a message of peace by considering and promoting the idea that Earth is one global family so as to make the world a better place to live for everyone. January 6, World Day of War Orphans. On 6th of January every year, World War Orphans Day is celebrated to create awareness about the plight of the war orphans and to address the traumatic conditions faced by them. A war orphan is a child who has been deprived of parental care and has not been adopted. January 8th, African National Congress Foundation Day. South African Native National Congress (SANNC) was founded on 8 January 1912 by John Langalibalele Dube in Bloemfontein. Behind this, the primary motive was to give voting rights to black and mixed-race Africans, or to unite African people and spearhead the struggle for fundamental political, social, and economic change. January 9, NRI, Non-Resident Indian Day or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. NRI or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas was observed on 9th January to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community towards the development of India. This day commemorates the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to Mumbai on 9 January 1915. January 11, Death of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of independent India. He popularized the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. He actively participated in India's freedom struggle. Due to cardiac arrest, he died on 11 January 1996. January 12th, National Youth Day. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, also called as Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, is celebrated every year on 12 January. He was born on 12 January 1863. The government decided to observe this day as National Youth Day because the philosophy of Swami Ji and his ideals for which he lived and worked could be a great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. He has given a speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago and glorified India's name. January 15, Indian Army Day. Every year, 15 January is observed as Indian Army Day because of this day in 1949. Field Marshal Kondandera M. Cariappa took over as the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Sir Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief. January 23, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on January 23, 1897, Cuttack, Orissa. He was one of the most prominent Indian freedom fighters. His army was known as Indian National Army (NIA) or Azad Hindu Fauj. He also led an Indian national force from abroad against the Western powers during World War II. January 24, National Girl Child Day. On January 24, every year, National Girl Child Day is celebrated to highlight the inequalities faced by a majority of girls in India, the importance of education, nutrition, legal rights, medical care, and safety of girl children, etc. January 25, National Voters Day. Every year on 25th January, National Voters Day or Rashtriya Matdata Divas is celebrated to encourage young voters to take part in the political process. In 2011, the first time this day was celebrated to mark Election Commission's Day. January 25, National Tourism Day. Every year on 25th January, National Tourism Day is celebrated in India to raise awareness and educate the people about the importance of tourism and the role it plays in the Indian economy. January 26, Republic Day. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution, the supreme law of the land, and replaced the Government of India Act 1935. It came into effect on 26 January 1950 with a democratic government system. This day marks the largest parade that took place at Rajpath, Delhi every year. January 26, International Customs Day. International Customs Day (ICD) is celebrated every year on 26 January by a custom organization to recognize the role of custom officials and agencies in maintaining border security. It also focuses on the working conditions and challenges that customs officers face in their jobs. January 28th, birth anniversary of Lala Rajpat Rai. Lala Rajpat Rai was born on January 28, 1865 in Punjab. He was a prominent national leader who played an important role in India's freedom struggle. He also earned the title of Punjab Kesari or the Lion of Punjab. He initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank. He died on 17 November 1928 due to serious injuries. The University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences in Hisar, Haryana is named after Lala Rajpat Rai. January 30, Martyrs' Day or Shaheed Divas. 30 January is celebrated as Martyrs' Day or Shaheed Divas every year in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi and the sacrifice of the three revolutionaries of India. As on 30 January 1948, the father of the nation was assassinated, and on 23rd March, three heroes, namely Bhagat Singh, Shivaram Rajguru, and Sukhdev Thapar of the nation, were hanged to death by the British. January 30, World Leprosy Eradication Day. World Leprosy Day is celebrated on the last Sunday of January to focus on the target of zero cases of leprosy-related disabilities in children. As we know that disabilities do not occur overnight but happen after a prolonged period of undiagnosed disease. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Click the bell icon to be notified when another video is uploaded.